Hi guys, so last week before the price increase, my sales associate messaged me that she could put me on reserve for this beautiful 21p metallic gold mini flap. And I was thinking, is it really something that I want? And then I thought, that's really hard to match.
So I told her no.
And now, after seeing it on Instagram, on Facebook pages, how beautiful that bag is, now I'm not too sure if I made the right decision. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Antona. I post videos every week, anything and everything about luxury, unboxings, reviews, lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and travel. If you like that kind of content, if you would consider subscribing to my channel and click that notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. So for today's video, I just want to talk a little bit about Chanel's Spring Summer 2021 pre-collection. And most of these bags are out in the boutique now, or at least many of the bags were out, but a lot of them are like hard to find, out of stock items. More specifically, the caramel color and the metallic gold and silver. My sales associate told me early last week that she could reserve the metallic gold mini flap for me. So I thought, maybe I really don't need that. So I said, no, I'll just pass. And now seeing it on the internet everywhere, it looks so pretty. Everybody wanted that color, or everybody wants that color. And now I'm not sure if I did make the right decision, but now I'm really thinking about it. I should stick to it because it's always your first instinct, and always follow your instinct and not the trends. There is one that I really want to get, and I'm waiting for my SA if they would have that available. And it is this color right here. It is the light pink in mini rectangular. So right now they have it in square mini, but I don't think it's available in store. It's again sold out. And so normally with Chanel, you have to talk to your SA, especially those pieces that are hard to find, if they could reserve one for you when it comes available. And if it doesn't, then you don't get it. So you just kind of wait for your luck. If you're lucky, then you get that. If not, you don't. So usually a lot of people that are really a fan of getting every season's color is that they wait for the release of the book. That's what they call it, is the book. Like they'll see all the colors for the upcoming season, and then you just talk to your SA and ask your SA to reserve this particular colors if they do order that. And sometimes your SA would say, oh no, we're not gonna order that color. And so you have an option into finding another sales associate or store that might order that particular style and color that you want. So yeah, there's a lot of things that I found out and learned how to order Chanel, and it's not easy, and not all boutique have the particular piece that you want. And after all the release of the handbags, and everybody got theirs, then some of the boutique will get a little piece here and there during shipment day, and the sales associate will not know what they have until they open the box. And the first one that's on reserve, or like they go by like who reserved first, will get the next, let's say, caramel bag. So yeah, so that's how it is. They don't produce a lot of these bags, so you just get lucky if you pre-order early on, so you're like first in line. So yeah, so that's how it is. So now let's get started. So I'll talk not the entire collection, but some of my favorites. I'll share with you what I think about the bags that are currently out in the boutique, for especially for this 21 P collection. And yeah, so I'll talk to you about my favorites and some pieces that I'm not really a fan of. So now let's get started. So let's talk about Chanel's Spring Summer 2021 pre-collection, or some refer to as 21P. I'll just talk about some of my favorites and some that I'm not really a fan of. Say for example, this Coco handle with rainbow handle. I think that this is too trendy for my liking, and maybe you like it, but to me it's just too trendy. So now let's get started with our mini flap. This pink one, it's so pretty. It has that pink logo and it also has a yellow interior. I think this is cute for those that love pink, but the popular for the minis in this season is this metallic gold. I even can't believe that I turned down this metallic gold when my SA told me that she could reserve this one for me. To me, I was just trying to be practical. I was thinking I may not use this bag only on special occasions, and I'm just waiting for the right mini for me. Another cute color for the spring summer collection is this green lambskin with light gold hardware. I think it's beautiful for that spring summer outfit, and it's just a beautiful pop of color. And then this blue tweed. Oh my goodness, isn't she beautiful? I just love looking at her. This reminds me of denim. So this bag really is perfect to me for all season. When you look at this bag, it has turquoise, purple, white, and red embedded in the tweed. I just love this. And this next one, I'm not really a fan of. It's too busy for me. Now moving on to the square mini flap. This silver is another beautiful color. This is similar to that metallic gold, but this one is silver. I haven't seen this one in the rectangular flap, but I've seen the gold in the rectangular flap. This one, it's pretty, but again, it might be only perfect for like special occasion, but not really for daily use. And then this light pink. Look at this beauty right here. This color is amazing. I love the light pink. It doesn't look really pinky to me, but it has that pinky beigey color that I love. I asked my SA if he could put me on reserve if they will have the mini rectangular available, and he said that he will. So crossing my fingers that I will get this beauty right here. Now enough with this heavenly piece. So let's move on with the next mini flap in this season, which is the yellow. And it is such a cute pop of color, but I'm not really into yellow. To me, it's hard to match, but for those that love yellow, this one is for you. Now moving right along to their 19 bags. Look at this caramel colored 19, or they refer it as brown. Everybody wants the caramel color, and it is the it color for this season. Everyone wants this color, the 19. If you could find one and you're deciding between this and a beige, I really would go for this color because the beige, they offer it every season, but this caramel color, it's not gonna come by anytime soon. So if you can get your hands on this, then go for it. But yeah, this color is amazing. I wanted one of this color in 19 in a mini flap, whatever is available. Yeah, this is the it color. And if you're into blue colored bags, then I think this Chanel 19 blue is perfect for you. It's such a beautiful bag for spring, summer, and I think blue are one of those bags that are really easy to match. And another stunner for me is this Chanel 19 tie-dye colored bag. And I just think this is so pretty. I mean, it's a unicorn bag, but I haven't really seen this bag in the purse forum or in the Facebook pages, but this is so beautiful. If you can get your hands on this one, grab it. I mean, this one you will sell for a great price later on. So this color I'm not really a fan of. It is the bright metallic pink, and to me it is too bright. It looks more orangey, and yeah, I really just don't think that this is the color for me. If you dig this color, then go for it, but you know, to me, I just can't see myself wearing this. Look at this yellow tweed in this Chanel 19. It looks so vibrant, so pretty. I love this. This tweed is another one of my favorite in tweed for the Chanel 19. I love where it has all the colors. It has ecru, navy blue. It's multicolored and you could really match this with anything. And this pattern right here, I'm not really a fan. Same as the iridescent white in the Chanel 19, especially in large, I'm not really a fan of, because to me 19 bags are supposed to be carefree and that you don't have to baby as much. And when you have an iridescent white or like a white color, it's really hard not to baby it because you are going to be worried about color transfer, stain, and that's why I'm not a fan of the iridescent white in the 19. The classic, I may go for it, but not on the 19. Again, that's my personal opinion, and if you love this color, then yeah, why not? And then of course, your classic beige. They always offer a beige in every season. I think Chanel is really stepping up their games when it comes to their 19 bags. I mean, look at the colors that they have introduced this season. This emerald green color is so beautiful. Look at this. However, this pattern though, I'm not too sure. I'm not really a fan of this color or this combination. It looks too busy for me. But to those who dig this color and combination, then go for it. This pattern is new this season. So let me quickly show you the classic flap bags. And yeah, so this one is similar to the mini flap that I showed you earlier. It was the pink with yellow interior and it has that pink hardware. And this one, it's blue with a pink interior and it has a blue metallic CC logo. And yeah, I'm not really a fan of this one. My SA has this even in mini, but you know, I passed because to me it's too trendy. And also, just for your information, that the caramel also comes in the classic medium, and I've seen this also in mini, but again, it's hard to find. And look at this sky blue medium flap. Of course, it's a seasonal color. It's beautiful. I actually prefer this one than the darker blue with the pink interior. So moving along, so they're Coco Handle, and this one is the medium Coco Handle. And I love this color. Of course, this is the it color for the season. And you know, I want this color in the small Coco Handle. And this caramel brown color is also available in their classic medium flap. And this large Coco Handle, or we also call it medium Coco Handle, also comes in burgundy, which I'm not really a fan of. And this one right here is their small Coco Handle, and this one is available in red, and I really wish that they will have this in the caramel color. For right now though, the caramel is available in their medium size. If you're looking into the Business Affinity flap, the brown caramel color is available in the Business Affinity flap, and just contact your SA, you know, if they could find one for you. Now moving right along to their mini with a twist. So this mini flap is one of their seasonal bags for 21p. I love how their chain is chunkier. It reminds me of the boy bag and the 19 bag chain, and it looks like it has an antique gold hardware. It comes in pink, it comes in black, and it also comes in this green color. It's definitely trendy and edgy. And I truly love how the chain has embellished stones embedded. And a little bit of a bigger version of this comes in yellow. And look at this real cute drawstring bag. I love the pattern. Another thing that I find so versatile is their drawstring bag, and it comes in large and a smaller size. And I love how you could carry it top handle, as well as there is a longer chain. And if you're into drawstring bags, then this collection, they actually have a large and a regular size. So I'm going to talk a little bit on the small leather goods, but I'm not going to go over a whole lot. But I'll just talk a little bit about some items like this vanity with chain with a raffia and jute thread. This one I am not really a fan of. I would rather go with a vanity that's all leather than this one, because this one is really trendy, and with raffia I don't think that it would really last a long time. So a lot of people are digging for this glasses case with chain and using this as a bag, but my big phone won't fit in this case, so I have to skip on this one. However, if you don't have the big phones and you prefer to be holding your phone and you love this, and for the price point of 1,450 you have a small Chanel bag, then yeah, go for it. And if you're into a mini classic belt bag, then this one is for you. It comes in metallic gold and silver and some other colors. So yeah, so if you're into classic belt bag, then you might check this out. And just a thought, just want to share this clutch with chain. It is cute. It's perfect for spring and summer. There you go, ladies, Chanel's Spring Summer 2021 pre-collection. So what do you think of it? Is there anything that you wanted in this collection and you're eyeing on? And is there anything that you're waiting for from your sales associate? For me, I wanted the caramel color, but I know it's quite impossible to get it. And my SA mentioned that he's gonna put me on reserve for that pink mini that I mentioned earlier, and I'm really crossing my fingers that he's gonna get one for me. And if not, I'm just gonna wait for the next season, hoping that I'm gonna get one. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day, guys, and I'll see you soon.